It was a cold, rainy night in New York City. I was walking home from work, feeling miserable and alone. I had just been laid off from my job, and I was worried about how I was going to pay my bills. I started to think about how I was going to make it through the winter. As I was walking, I saw a homeless man sitting on the sidewalk. He was shivering and looked very cold. I felt a pang of guilt as I walked past him. I knew I should do something to help him, but I was afraid to talk to him. I kept walking, but I couldn't get the man out of my mind. I finally turned around and went back to him. I asked him if he was okay, and he said he was just trying to keep warm. I asked him if he had eaten, and he said no. I gave him some money and told him to go get something to eat. He thanked me and said that I was the first person who had stopped to talk to him all day. I continued on my walk home, but I felt a lot better. I had done something kind for someone else, and it made me feel good. A few weeks later, I was walking down the same street when I saw the same homeless man again. He was standing in front of a store, and he was looking at a pair of shoes in the window. I went up to him and asked him if he wanted the shoes. He said yes, but he couldn't afford them. I told him that I would buy them for him. He was so grateful. He thanked me over and over again. He said that I was an angel. I told him that I wasn't an angel, but that I just wanted to help him out. He said that I had made his day. I walked home that day feeling even better than I had before. I had made a real difference in someone's life. This experience taught me that it is always important to be kind to others, no matter who they are. You never know what someone is going through, and a small act of kindness can make a big difference in their life. Here are some additional thoughts on the story. The story is a reminder that we should all be more compassionate and understanding of others. It is important to remember that everyone is going through their own struggles, and we should never judge others based on their appearance or circumstances. Even small acts of kindness can have a big impact on someone's life. We should all strive to make the world a better place by being kind to others. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this short story. I hope it has helped you with your English listening practice. If you enjoyed this story, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content.